How to change your profile picture on Discord mobile. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can change your profile picture on Discord mobile. For that, launch open the Discord app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store and then tap on the search bar. Here you want to search for Discord. Now have this application installed on your device. Once you open the application, make sure to sign into your account. Now, if you want to change your profile picture, follow these simple steps. Step 1 is to tap on the U icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, all the information about your Discord account will be displayed. Go ahead and tap on the Edit Profile option. Now, as you can see, this is the current profile picture. If you want to change this, tap on the pencil icon. Now you want to tap on the upload image option. Now choose gallery, and from here all the pictures in your gallery will be displayed. You can simply select any picture that you want as your profile picture. Now adjust this and edit it as you want. Then tap on this tick mark option. As you can see, the profile picture now has been changed. Go ahead and tap on the save button at the top right corner of your screen. And with that, you can easily change your profile picture on Discord mobile app. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.